Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel is like giving your spreadsheet special powers to change the way it looks based on certain conditions or rules you set. Imagine it like magic colors that appear when certain things happen in your spreadsheet. How to use conditional formatting. 1. First, select the cells you want to apply conditional formatting to. 2. Then, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. 3. Look for the Conditional Formatting option. It might be under the Styles group. 4. Click on it, and you'll see a bunch of different rules you can choose from, like Highlight Cells rules or Top-Bottom rules. Here are the types of conditional formatting. 1. Highlight Cells rules. These rules let you choose how to format cells based on their values. You can make cells with certain values bold, italic, or change their background color. Examples are dates after this week, or numbers between 50 and 100, or the bottom 10% of scores. Highlight all students with honors having 90% and above average. 2. Top-bottom rules. These rules let you format cells that are in the top or bottom percentages or numbers in your data. For example, you can make the top 10% of scores green, top 10 highest student grade, highlight students with below average scores. 3. Data bars, color scales, and icon sets. These options let you visually represent your data using bars, colors, or icons. Data bars show the relationship of values in a cell range. Extends a band of color across the cell. Examples are comparisons of prices or populations in the largest cities. Data bars can help you spot the highest and lowest numbers in your spreadsheets at a glance. Color scales show the relationship of values in a cell range. Applies a color scale where the intensity of the cell's color reflects the value's placement toward the top or bottom of the range. An example is sales distributions across regions. Icon sets, a cell range that contains 3 to 5 groups of values where each group has its own threshold. For example, you might assign a set of 3 icons to highlight cells that reflect sales below P30, 000, below P20, 000, and below P10, 000. Or you might assign a 5-point rating system for mobile phones and apply a set of 5 icons. 4. Creating your own rules. If none of the preset rules suit your needs, you can create custom rules. This allows you to specify exactly what conditions should trigger the formatting you want. That would be all, and thank you for watching.